Hi, this is a short introduction to Data and More's cleanup report, the functionality therein, and what the different options are for you as an end user. You will have received an email with a link to this report. The purpose of this report is to show you all the files that have been identified with personal sensitive information that are going to be automatically cleaned up at a given time. How long time that is will be stated in the email you've received. I will take you through the functionality of this report. The purpose of the report is to show you all the files that have been identified, and then you can identify if some of these files and select if some of these files should not be cleaned up. And that is the purpose of this report. So give you one as an overview, but secondly, to see if some of the files should not be cleaned up. The option for selecting files that should not be automatically cleaned up is that you can push these three buttons, and there's different options out here. The default is dispensation. That means it will be on hold, so to speak. It will not be deleted as long as this is enabled. When you unenable it, then it will also be automatically cleaned up. The other one is not GDPR. That means it's been wrongly classified as personal sensitive. It's actually not. And then it will also go out of the report. The last one, if this is a private file, contains private information, if you mark it that, it will also go out of the report and will never be deleted. That's one option of doing it. You can also multi-select, and then this dialog pops up down here, and then you have the same options of marking them with the different options. You can also delete files. If I hit delete here, then you'll see then they automatically go into this one, and then I can actually see them. And if I hit delete again, then it'll be undeleted. And then I'll go back to the report. So the total number was 99. Now you have only 96, and 3 will be deleted tonight. If you delete them manually, they'll be deleted every night. What you can do in the report is there are some filters, and you can in the filters use that for filtering. So I want to see all the travel information, or I want to see salary information, or I want to see passport information. There's also a preview function. You can actually open up a file with a plus and go into the file. This is a German sample passport from the German government. So it's okay that we show it. We've taken the text out of this that's been identified with OCR, and you can see it. You can also actually see the path of where it is. If you click go to link, it will automatically open it in the source of the file. There's different options also sorting this. You can sort on date if there's arrows here, on name. You can also sort on sources. It could be email, OneDrive, etc. There's also introduction up here. Show more. You can actually do that. There's a link to this tutorial video. You can also do multiple different languages as the interface. This is set for English right now. Thank you very much. And this was a short introduction to Data and More's cleanup report.